What's up, everybody? It's Danny and Gray's Cards and Toys. We're back with another video, this time with a little bit of something different. Something you guys do not see us open very much. And that's some baseball cards. We got some. Now, I did pre-open these already because, you know, yeah, little man was too anxious to kind of see them, and so was I. But we put them right back in the way we got them. And nothing's been messed with. I did open the pack that was in here. But first, we're going to open the pharmacy box that I got. Now, I don't know some of these players that good, so here's my request to everybody. Okay, listen, I got to say this so they can hear. This is my request, guys. If you see a card that is, you know, worth a little something, or somebody that's, you know, good, please let us know, because we don't really know, do we, Bubba? I mean, I watch some baseball, but not much. So, without further ado, we got a pack of opening day in there, so we'll lay that to the side. We'll start going through some of these, and I'll hand them to you, Gray, and you don't mess them up, okay? I don't want you to get them messed up. Now, I know who this is. David Ortiz. And then we got some of these names I may not know, so sorry, guys. This is off-centered here, I can tell. It's a Gypsy Queen. Jared Eckhoff. A DJ LeMahieu. I've heard of that name. A Juan Carlos Stanton. A Jim Presley. Cody Bellinger. Future Stars. A Mookie Betts, a Nick Markakis, Luis Severino, Kenny Rogers, Tom Howard, Harold Reynolds, Scott Severus, David Holtz, Turner Ward, Esteban Beltre, Miguel Monterrey, Jason Marquise, Jimmy Helkerson, Joe Wagner, he looks a little bit older, Donnie Joseph, Kurt Ford, 88 Donruss. Here's an older Pirate. Jason Thompson. Dusty Baker. Ron Teagley. Joe Kennedy. Don't get up there. Wayne Edwards. Jeff Wilson. Francisco Reyes. I've heard of that name before. Delman Young, that's a rookie. Milt Thompson. Trevor Cahill. John Franco. Got a double here. A Gil Machi and an Aaron Sheffer. Felix Furman, Cleveland Indians. Here's a little bit older one. I think this is a 1978 Topps. For Bud Harrelson, Bill Long, Jeff Sorello, I guess that's how you say his last name, Scott Sanderson, Don Robinson, BJ, we got one of these earlier, I think, Ken Ozzie Smith, I've heard of that name. Ryan Sandberg. Remember, guys, if you see a card in here and it's worth a couple bucks, I mean, let me know, because I really don't know what I've got here, and I would like to know if I got anything good. A Clint Robinson. A Johnny Gavartella. I mean, I'd like to know more about baseball. I mean, I watch it sometimes on TV, but I don't know, you know, the good players and the bad ones. Now, if it was NASCAR, I would know instantly. Mac Williamson. Kyle Schwarber. Heard of that name before. Ron Davis. Pat Talbert, Paul Bird, Gary, I don't even know how to say that last name, Mike Scout, Adam Peterson, Bernie Williams, Ellis Valentine, Ozzie. Here we got a checklist for 1983 Fleer, Don Paul, Gary Myers, Greg Myers, sorry, Steve Sachs, Kurt McCaskill, Old Can Boyd, that's a weird name, Old Can Boyd, okay, Tony Phillips, Todd Burns, and Kevin Gross. How old is this one? It's a 1985 Topps. Alright. Steve, I ain't even gonna try it. King Griffey Sr., that's a nice one. Charlie Holge, Matt Young, Tom Stockard, Floyd Bannister, Gerald Perry, a Frank Howard manager card. Here we have two players, Donnie Don and Darrell. I don't know how to say his last name either. Brandon Webb, Ivan Rodriguez, Jason Beret. Here we go. Here's a Barry Bonds on base leader. Brian Jordan, Terry Foster. There's another Atlanta Braves. A Brooks Kajanik, Ray Lankford, Edgar Martinez. There's another Edgar Martinez postseason insert. A Manny Ramirez. Maybe an insert card. No. There's a Manny Ramirez. Doug Sisk, Wood Mosley, and David Strebe. John Lonester. This is how he says something. Another Doug Sisk. That's a double. Kurt Suzuki. DJ LeMahieu. Glenn Perkins. Kevin Quakenbush. And Scott Van Slyke. I guess he's Andy Van Slyke's son. Maybe. I don't know. Just guessing because of the name. So that's pretty good. You guys let me know if there was anything good in there. Real good. So like I said, I don't really know my players that good. I'm kind of getting interested in it a little bit more. And if you guys are ever interested in sending us any loose baseball cards, we'll gladly appreciate them. My son, he loves opening up stuff. So we will see what's in our opening day here. We got a Jason Knips, Anthony Banda, David Dahl. We got a Team Traditions and Celebrations, the Clydesdale Horses for the Cardinals, St. Louis Cardinals. Then we got a Masaro. I've heard you guys say this before. Masarino Tanaka. I think he's pretty good. A Jose Barrios. And a Gerald Cotton. May have butchered some of those names slightly. That's okay. That's perfectly okay. Yesterday, we went out to North Town, and I went to the Five Below, and I told my son, I said, let's get a pack of Heritage just for the fun of it. Didn't think nothing else of it. Got here, opened it up, and you guys will see. We got something good in there, and just luck, I guess. Well, we got a Francisco Cervelli, Pirates, and Roberto Osuna, Astros, David Perlata for the Diamondbacks. Then we got an RBI leaders for the 2018 American Leagues for J.D. Martinez, Chris Davis, and Edwin Encarnacion. and a Jose Musgrave. Got several Pirates in this. A Freddie Freeman, the Atlanta Braves, so I was happy to get that. We like the Braves. And then we got a JBJ slams the Astros into orbit for the ALCS Game 3. I think that was an insert. No, it wasn't an insert card. Then we got a hit in our pack. A Jose Ramirez Game Used Memorabilia Clubhouse Collections. So, it says congratulations, you just received a Clubhouse Collections relic card of Jose Ramirez from 2019 Topps Heritage. So that's pretty good, I think. I mean, $3 spent and we get a Jose Ramirez. So, just a little baseball opening. I know we don't do that kind of stuff much on our channel, but just something different for you guys to look at. Hope you guys enjoyed it. We will be doing our 300 subscriber giveaway announcement video very soon. I've been trying to get to it all week, but we just haven't had time to yet. But it is coming, and I'll give you guys all the rules and regulations, etc. for that coming up in another video. Don't forget, 20 channel giveaway for the Card Crew is coming up at the end of the month. Head over to Lone Stars, comment on that video that he made. Don't forget to sub everybody that you're supposed to sub to. He's got all that covered over there. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And this has been Danny and Gray's Cards and Toys, and we'll see you guys later. Till next time, peace.